You start your engine on a freezing winter morning, and instead of settling into a smooth and quiet idle, your vehicle violently stumbles, runs incredibly rich, and blows a cloud of black, unburned fuel smoke directly out of the tailpipe. Hook up your scanner, and if you see a code P0054, your powertrain control module is warning you about a resistance malfunction in the heater circuit of your heated oxygen sensor for Bank 1 Sensor 2. Let us break down what this actually means without getting overly complicated. Bank 1 refers to the side of your engine block that contains cylinder number 1, and Sensor 2 means we are looking at the downstream oxygen sensor located right after your catalytic converter. Modern oxygen sensors are built with a tiny internal heating element, kind of like the glowing wires inside a toaster. When you start a freezing cold engine, the exhaust gases are not hot enough for the oxygen sensor to read accurately. To fix this, the engine computer sends a full 12.6 volts of battery power to the sensor heater to get it scorching hot almost instantly. This allows the computer to take absolute control of the air-to-fuel ratio within seconds of turning the key. If the computer measures the electrical resistance on this heater circuit and sees that it is way too high, it sets this specific code. An inoperable oxygen sensor heater is a severe issue because it forces the engine to run blind during those critical cold starts, completely destroying your fuel economy and prematurely clogging your expensive catalytic converter with raw fuel soot. Before you blindly unscrew the sensor and buy a new one, you need to verify the electrical basics. Because this wiring harness lives just inches away from blistering hot exhaust pipes, the wires frequently melt together or chafe against sharp metal heat shields. Do a massive visual inspection from the sensor all the way up the firewall. Next, grab your digital volt-ohm-meter and check the specific fuse or relay that powers the oxygen sensor heaters. You absolutely must test these fuses while the circuit is loaded, because a corroded fuse might look totally fine when it is resting, but fail completely the second the computer tries to pull high amperage through it. If the wiring is totally pristine and you have solid battery voltage reaching the connector, the tiny heating element inside the oxygen sensor has burned itself out, and you will simply need to thread in a brand new unit to get your engine running crisp and clean again.